Oh, hi. We're going on a picnic today. Won't you join us? Oh, no. We're not using that. That doesn't go.
Doesn't go with what?
Ah, beautiful, right?
Is this for sewing or something?
Yes, it is, Rob.
I thought we were going on a picnic.
Well, yeah, we are, but we're going on a picnic my way. Do you think I'm not going to sew on this picnic? This sewing basket and matching caddy are made by Dino, exclusive makers of Singer sewing accessories and notions. You can only get these items on Walmart.com. So, babe, Dino is sponsoring our picnic today.
Oh, it's nice.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, it is
Look
nice.
at all the pockets.
Pretty well made.
There's a lot of things that I could put in this. Wait, Rob, there's more. That just looks like an empty bin, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Boom.
Shazam!
Boom. Boom. And boom. Picnic capability. Now, I mean, obviously these are not for picnics, but...
This looks perfect for putting wine in there.
Doesn't it? That's where my light bulb idea happened for this here video. Let's pack, shall we?
Sure.
Rob, these products are actually part of the back to school line. I'm not going back to school.
I am.
You are? What you going to school
I'm
for?
gonna school you.
What you gonna school me on? How dare you? You know, Rob, though, I do consider myself actually going to school always. Do you know why?
Because you're always learning something new?
Because in sewing...
You're always learning.
Something new. Let's try it one more time. Because in sewing...
You're always learning something new.
Oh, that was better. That was wonderful. First up, we're going to pack the sewing basket.
Okay.
Now, check it out.
Wow. It opens.
Of course it opens. Obviously it opens, but look what you get inside.
Oh.
You get a little matching pouch.
Is this a pin cushion?
It's a little pin cushion, Rob.
Okay, that's pretty slick.
Right?
Yeah.
You get a little handy sewing kit.
Right.
Little pins. We got pre-threaded needles. We got a little seam ripper.
A mini seam ripper.
The most important tool in your sewing kit.
Jack the seam ripper.
Babe, it's a little paper tape measure.
Aww.
Quite handy for on the road sewing when you want to pack light because you might be packing champagne.
Let me see. Very light.
Can you fold that up, please? Thank you. That's great. Can you just tuck that in there? Thank you. That's right there in that little handy pocket. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's pack some sewing tools. First up, we're going to bring this handy tripod.
What does a tripod have to do with sewing?
Well, because if you don't Instagram it in sewing, it didn't happen.
I think that's basically life these days.
Isn't it? Mm-hmm. Look at this. This removes.
Oh, nice.
So the tripod can fit in. Look at how much space there is.
That's a lot of space.
Oh my goodness.
Spacey.
So spacey.
Nice.
We've got a little docking station.
Always got to have the gear.
I'm going to use this little handy pouch. It's very true.
We love you.
But he's just going to go right on top of the tripod.
Okay.
Now, Rob, we can put our little tray back in.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You even have more room in there.
I still have more room in there, I
Yeah.
know, but I'm putting a lot of stuff in the sewing caddy, so the sewing basket.
Put the sewing in a basket.
Oh, no. You're in a horror film bent today, aren't you?
Maybe.
We need a little pin cushion.
I thought you already have a pin cushion.
I know, but they also gave me this one, and look how cute it is.
That's very cute. Is that a tomato?
It's a tomato.
It's a green tomato.
It's a little green tomato.
It's actually very cute.
This is a classy pin cushion because usually the pin cushions that you get are those red tomatoes, but this is a little heirloom green tomato.
Is this for anything up here? Or is that just for fun?
That, Rob, is to sharpen your needles.
This?
Yeah. You just stick it back and forth in it.
Oh, I feel something in there.
Yeah, it's a little like
so it hones
sawdusty.
them like you would with your knife on the honing steel.
Yes.
I get it.
You know
I understand
how you like
this.
things like that, right?
I do. I appreciate. That's cool.
Little heirloom green tomato coming with. Okay, we've also got some pins.
Okay.
Because we want to be dangerous on this picnic and maybe have pins on the
Danger
blanket.
picnic.
That's right. It's always danger picnic.
See, that's where the horror is coming from because I knew you were going to do that. I didn't, but now I do.
Well, you know I always bring pins. I'm sorry, babe. Well, teeny travel scissors.
Oh, those are cute.
Right? And they're soft and comfy.
Oh, so
for your
comfy.
digits. So comfy.
Pretty sharp.
That's right. Danger.
I like them.
Danger picnic. Okay. So we need a little ruler, another seam ripper.
Why do you need another one?
You can never have too many seam rippers because they are always running away.
Is that Jill the seam ripper?
Yes, it is, Rob.
That was terrible.
I love it. They are now Jack and Jill the seam rippers. Done. I'm going to bring some safety pins. Just in case I don't want to terrorize you with the actual pins.
Need to flash back to our other video when I explained why pins are very dangerous.
I'm just going to link that below for you guys if you want to hear the story.
Fun.
It's too much. It's too much.
Fun.
Needles.
Oh, needles.
Do you like how they match the little tiny heirloom green pin cushion? Those are also Singer sewing needles made by Dino. Yeah, they just go.
Wait, what are these needles?
Well, that came with the kit. This is with your little, hoo-ha that we showed in the beginning.
Gotcha.
But
hands off.
I like to coordinate. I like for things to go together. And so that's right. These items are gonna be just my travel.
Oh.
Well, not travel, because we are traveling right now, but like travel, like get on a plane kind of thing.
Okay.
Kit.
Like when we make $1 bazillion and go to France for a picnic?
Yes, when we pack for the plane for France to picnic.
I look forward to that day.
That's gonna come with. And last but not least, we've got our little matching case. But you know what?
What?
This is gonna just be my purse for the day. And it's gonna have my sunblock.
Gotta have the sunblock.
Sunblock's very
Especially
important.
This pale, pasty mug.
And of course, we're gonna bring these.
Oh, that's super, super duper sexy.
I know. Sewing basket packed. It's time for the sewing caddy.
I can't wait.
Wait till you see what's gonna go in here.
What's gonna go in here?
This guy has like 8,000 pockets. I love pockets in school supplies. I used to love buying school supplies.
Of course you did.
My school supplies were so wonderful. I had trapper keepers. I had stickers that I could put on the trapper keepers.
Yeah.
I made like book jacket covers out of jeans. And I had a little star and lightning bolt makeup kit that I could just do a star and lightning bolts, just stamp it on myself.
I'm sad that I missed that.
Yeah, aren't you? Either we so would have dated or I would have been terrified of you and just ran away.
Probably terrified.
Why? What were you like?
I was lucky to have a number 2 pencil.
Well, babe, I always had plenty of number 2 pencils, and I always kept them in all of the pockets and all of my various things.
I would have borrowed one from you.
You would have.
And never given it back.
And I would have thought, what a bad dude. I'm so intrigued. Bad boy.
And then I would have been, oh, didn't I borrow a number 2 pencil from you? Here's this one, and I would give it back. It probably did about this tall.
Oh, I thought you were going to use it as a pickup line or something.
I mean, it might have been a pickup line.
For me, if you had returned a pencil for me, that would have been a total pickup line.
You know, at some point, I would have gone like, oh, dude, didn't I borrow a number 2 pencil from you?
Yes, Rob, you did.
Well, here's a whole package of number 2 pencils. Would you like to go shopping with me?
How dare you? That's amazing. Ding, 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 ding. Let's pack this because it's time to go on our picnic.
Yeah, I know.
You need a lot of accoutrement for a picnic.
Stunner.
You always need music.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to just put music right in that little pocket
bad boy
there.
kicks.
That little bad boy kicks.
Ooh. My hair is wafting.
So good.
Amazing.
Okay, that's it for the fan. The fan is done. That's going to go in the zippered pocket.
Oh,
there's this nice little
here.
zipper pocket in the back.
I'll get it in there for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for getting it in there.
Are you going to do it or you want me to do it?
Oh, please do it, please. After you.
I just said I would do it for you, and then you kept doing it.
Okay.
Story of our lives. I say I'll take care of something, you're like, In your mind, you're like, I'll do it so much better.
It's true.
So much better.
It's
oh my
so
God.
true.
Rob cannot possibly get that in there and zip the pocket. Not a chance.
Because this fan's prettier.
No, it works too.
And it works too.
That feels very nice.
Yeah, and you know I'm all about the pretty. Can't use how.
Yeah.
And
you burn calories while you're wafting.
That is right. Actually, a lot of people say that if you use a handheld fan like this, you're actually negating the effects of the fan because you're using your arm muscles.
Yeah, but it feels good.
It feels wonderful and it looks fabulous. Some set dressing.
Some fake flowers while we go out into real nature.
Yeah, because you never know what you're going to find.
Because everybody needs that.
For the Instagram life.
Oh, yeah, I forget the life that we're now leading.
That's right. You live it, love it. We're going to need some glasses.
Oh, yes. Yeah. I approve of that.
Right?
Yes.
Look at how nice they fit together,
fit
too.
nicely, so nicely.
Boom! Mm-hmm. And obviously some chocolates.
Chocolate.
Some chocolates. Let's put the chocolate in this pocket here.
Oh, look at that.
Because we can.
Yeah. Is that makeup?
No, it's a little watercolor art set.
Ah, nice.
Because I might do art on the picnic.
Well, hey.
I might.
I'm all for it.
Mm-hmm. If you're going to do art on the picnic, you need little watercolor brushes.
Oh,
right?
Cute.
And look, they can go in this pocket right here because there's so many pockets.
Nice.
I might take some notes.
Okay.
Right?
Nice.
Yeah,
Is that in there properly?
Yes, it's
Is it
good.
fall out?
Okay, wait, I'll put it in this pocket. I have choices.
Oh, look at that.
That's a bigger pocket.
I feel better about that.
See?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I thought we might play a rousing game of magnetic tic-tac-toe.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
Who will possibly win?
This one has more X's than O's, is that right?
I don't think so.
Well, I'll be X's. Also, maybe just a little bit of light reading.
What do they have to say? Variations of back fullness. Using the same style note as above, you may vary the way in which the back inset is finished off.
Yeah, you may. I know what we're doing on this picnic. You're going to read aloud to me while I do a little art. This is my pencil case for my number 2 pencils.
Oh, yes. Mm-hmm.
Some sunglasses. What?
What are these possibly going to do to help your eyes and the sun?
Try them on.
No.
Come on, please.
No.
Try them on.
They hurt.
Just try them on.
They hurt me.
Yeah.
Succumbing to peer pressure from my wife.
You look so good.
Yeah, I can feel how good I look.
This is going to be great for the Instagram picture.
Uh-huh. Who's carrying all this?
Probably you. I forgot the most important thing.
Which is what?
The sustenance, Rob.
Yeah, you kind of did. Ah.
I mean, look how it goes, too.
Yep. Good friend of ours gave us this bottle. Cannot wait to taste it.
Today. And I can go right in there.
Well.
How nice is that?
So I guess this is just a liquid lunch?
We've got sewing. We've got liquid. What else do we need? By the way, is that what you're going to wear?
I'm thinking no. After that.
Well, I mean, I love this shirt, obviously.
I picked this shirt out because you made it.
I did.
You made the deadgum shirt.
Made him a shirt, y'all. But you know, it doesn't really go with the mise en scène.
It doesn't go with the use en scène.
It's good. I think we're just going to change things up a little bit for you, okay? We're just going to get ready and just go to the picnic.